Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Robinhood for account monitoring workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Robinhood website or open the Robinhood app on your device. Log in to your existing account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access your account preferences. Scroll down to find the account section. In this section, look for options related to account permissions and integrations. Select account monitoring or a similar option. You will now see available permissions for monitoring your account. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. After reviewing, locate and click on the authorization button. Once clicked, a prompt will appear for you to confirm your decision. Confirm the authorization by clicking Yes or Authorize. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts for two-factor authentication to proceed. After verification, you will be redirected back to your account settings. Ensure that account monitoring workflows are now enabled. You can now check for any integrated applications or third-party services you wish to connect. Follow the onboarding instructions for any selected applications. Monitor the status of your connections to ensure proper authorization. Make note of any changes in your account that may affect these workflows. Regularly revisit the settings to manage your permissions as needed. This completes the authorization process for account monitoring workflows with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.